name is Ayodeji Saliu. I'm a Nigerian. I came from Nigeria here to via Dr. Bojuani for treatment on the fracture I've had for almost like 5 years. And they have gone through a lot of serious stress on it. But when I came here, I've received some excellent service, especially from everybody, the doctor, Dr. Santeni, the nurses. They've been very well, effective, and I'm really proud of them, and I can always recommend them to anybody that they can take care of them very well. And I'm really grateful to Dr. Bojuani, most especially, and to my very good friend too, Mr. Sanit. That's been very lovely, very effective. The food has been good, hospitality has been wonderful, nice, everything's nice.